Let's start this day knowing that Tesla is in talks to set up a manufacturing facility in Gujarat. The additional chief secretary of Gujarat told the Economic Times that they are hopeful that Tesla prefers Gujarat. The state government has also assured the company all the possible assistance and incentives for setting up base in Gujarat. Next up the list is that Twitter will resume the Bliptek verification program starting January 22nd, and to my shock I had no clue they had paused this program for 3 years. The platform will have a new self-serve application process available on the web and in-app. Apple is reportedly working on its first virtual reality headset, which is expected to have a fabric exterior. The device could also feature a chip that is more powerful than the Apple M1 processor, Bloomberg reported. Apple may sell only one headset per day per store and at a price higher than those from its competitors. Looks like I won't be getting that anytime soon. Alphabet shuts down Loon, a company which provides internet from floating balloons. Apparently, the prices were rising like balloons. Samsung is considering spending over $10 billion building its most advanced logic chip making plant in the US. It is in discussion to locate a facility in Austin, Texas, and aims to start the plant's construction this year, install major equipments from 2022, and start operations as early as 2023. Intel's 11th Gen series, aka Rocket Lake S, are now expected to debut in March this year. Just 6 months later, Intel could be showing its Alder Lake S processor series featuring a completely new socket. At this rate, we might be seeing more of Intel's motherboards in the ocean because of socket upgrades. After Xbox broke hearts of millions of fans after they hiked the prices for Xbox Live Gold, they reversed the prices in less than 24 hours as the gaming giant attempts to mend its relationship with fans. Microsoft also said it's going a step further to make up with the Xbox users. The company said free-to-play games on Xbox will no longer require an Xbox Live Gold subscription for online play. According to leaks, AMD's Radeon RX 6700 XT easily beats the Nvidia RTX 3060 12GB and is also considered to trade blows with the RTX 3060 Ti. Looks like Nvidia has to start pumping up more of those GPUs to compete. In this situation, the winner of the GPU wars is whoever is able to produce the most GPUs. That's it for today, and come back for more tech news next week.